So in my attempt to make this the ultimate driver and reliable hoopty, I've been tinkering with my new Ford 2011 Crown Vic Police Interceptor. And while getting under the hood, I noticed the struts or lift supports were pretty weak and the hood would slowly lower down. If it was windy, it would come down a little quicker, which is not ideal. We don't want to be smashing heads here. So I picked up these A Premier lift supports and we're going to install them on the Vic. So hopefully this, when I pop the hood comes up, good thing, but it doesn't seem to come up enough where I have to get in here, stick my finger in there, so I could work that latch to get over and lift it. So hopefully these new lift supports will solve that problem. So I guess they don't like this weather and it comes down. So I am going to secure it with a stick. So apparently these are very simple to install. And we're going to see how simple, because if I can do it, you definitely can do it. I like to tinker. I'm not really a shade tree mechanic. So here goes. So they look and should be identical. And the solid part on top and the other part on the bottom. And we got to get in there with like a pry bar or screwdriver, pop the other ones off, and pop the new ones on. Whew. Okay, that took a little bit more force than I was expecting, but doable. I guess there's pressure on the hood pushing down, which doesn't help. So one out. I didn't bust my knuckle. It's a good thing. So let's get the upper one in. Oh, it just slides right in. Okay. That shows that it's got to be the pressure of the hood. It's probably more helpful if you got a friend. Jeez, how am I going to do this? Okay, we're going to lift with one hand. That's not a good thing. So be very careful. Can I push this in? No. Okay. So it's probably best with a buddy. But we're going to try to push through. So that went better than expected. I was expecting a disaster show. Now, this is where you got to get creative when you're solo. Shoulder up, line it up, slight tap, didn't even take much. I thought I was gonna look like a savage, banging the hell out of it. So that's in there, and already it stayed up. And it's such an improvement with one. With two, it's going to be fantastic. Maybe the tap works the same. So that was a little bit more rougher than I would have preferred. So let's get the bottom one in first, because that seems to be the more pain in the ass one. Knocks right in. Let's lift up this baby. Knocks right in. and we should be good. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, now when we pop the hood, it should lift up enough to get my finger under it. Yes, that looks high. That looks like it's gonna give my finger clearance, which I could do one hand operation. Yes. Now we're talking. Woohoo! This is a heavy hood and we're on a hill, a little hill downslope. So there's more weight on the hood. So you got it here, it stays in place. Lift it a little bit, lift it a little bit. See the tipping, right there's the tipping point. It's slowly raising up. It's slowly raising up. Safe. And it doesn't pop it up. It raises it nice and even flow. And that's another easy fix. I love easy fixes. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more easy fixes, and watch me bang my knuckles and get this car straight.